Hi everyone and welcome to Storeino. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a domain name to your store in Storeino.com. When you log into your account, as you can see here, we have the store account. We need to change it to manager account. After we change it to manager account, as you can see here, we have the domains. When you click on domains, this page will show up. First of all, you need to choose the store you want to connect the domain name to. And after that, you just need to type in the domain name you already bought from another website. For example, this is mine. And here, as you can see, we have two links. Now, these links are the name servers. What you need to do is you gotta go back to the website you bought the domain name from, and then copy these two links and put them in the name servers cases. Now, you need to also remember that all the cases in the name server should be empty except from these two. And after you've done all of this, you just click on confirm. Now, if you already have a domain name, the information should be right here at this page, and you just click on verify domain and then add domain, and it will be successfully added to your store. Now, the second way to connect a domain name is to buy it from our platform storing.com. Just click on buy new domain. Now, as you can see, first of all, again, choose the store you want to connect the domain name with and type in the domain name you want to verify if it is available. For example, again, I'm gonna type this one and choose if I want it to be .com or .net or whatever. Now, click on verify. And as you can see, it is available and I can buy it right away. Now, as you can see here, we have two prices. We have the domain name price and also the renewal price that we pay once a year. Now, as you can see also, if I change it to .net, the prices will change. So you need to also remember that this one change the price, and also the renewal price is also important. The domain name may be cheap, but also the renewal price may be expensive and vice versa. Now, also, if you don't have a balance into your account, you just click on add amount and type in the amount you want to add to your store and choose the payment method you are comfortable with. We also have this method, which is sending the money from the bank to our bank account, and then what you need to do after that is just send a copy of the paper they gave you in the bank to our email or our WhatsApp, and the amount will be added right away to your balance. And after you've done all of this, just click on confirm, and the domain name will be connected to your store. That was everything for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments and we will make sure to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you.